Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Elgato Camera Link 4K and I'm going to tell you how you can easily increase or decrease your saturation level of your preview image. As you can see, this is our Camera Hub Elgato application. To check how to install this application, check our channel because we have a video for it. And here we have in camera picture. Here the third option is saturation. We can manage the saturation using this slider. As you can see on the preview, you can see the difference, or with these arrows. If we make any changes than the default ones, we can click save here, and now our settings are saved. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.